Okay, as you can see here, I have some kettlebells and water jugs on both sides. And last but not least, some weight plates. That's to keep this power rack stable so it doesn't come tipping over. So in other words, the idea of this is to have a counterweight. So when I start pushing against this thing, this rack actually stays stable and it's safe and it's secure. So basically, before setting up your levers and Fulcrums, make sure you have a counterweight and a counterbalance to keep everything from moving forward and falling over. All right, one more time before this guys come on the stream. So basically what I have here, have my lever and Fulcrum set up already pretty much good to go. So the lever mechanism is going to be the suspension strap going against this barbell. And it's going against a rack that has a 1,000-pound weight limit. Straps also have a 1,000-pound weight limit each. So in theory, this can hold 1,000 pounds. This bar can hold 1,000 pounds. The bar is only rated 500 pounds, but what I'm doing, that type of weight limit is not going to be a requirement. Just make sure that whatever you're trying to use for your lever arm mechanisms actually have a weight capacity that can handle it. And like what I was mentioning earlier, my counterweights here. So counterweight wise, I have approximately 200 pounds, approximately between probably like 250 pounds of counterweights between the sides and the rear. So that way this whole rack system doesn't go tip over because it's not anchored down. So that's set up. With my lever arm, I'm sure it's at a right height. So if I'm training, I'll be able to get both pronated and supinated grip. So right now, this is good grip and pronated. And also doing this is a good way to warm up. So pronated press works. And supinated grip works. Also make sure it's not too much play on either side of the bar because you don't want the thing tipping over when you start throwing plates on there. And it's also a good way to kind of warm up. So this is kind of a 2-for-1 video showing you levers and Fulcrum examples, as well as some fitness tips you're trying to set up a home gym and some safety instructions. One quick announcement, the next event with NSBE Black Engineers Detroit chapter will be at Thrive Chiropractic tomorrow Sunday at 2 p.m. It'll be a free yoga class with door prizes, snacks, and drinks.